Hi folks, here's the original video of a dog running with its owner behind it. So let's get started editing, highlight the clip and then click on split. Then we put another split in so the video's broken up into 3 parts, 2 splits. So we highlight the clip, then we move the slider over to 100%. We're going to import, export the video numerous times. So export, save video, and it's going to tell you where it saves it to your photo library. So start a new project, and we select the shortest clip, and you can see the dog running faster there. Well, I hope you found value in this video. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos.